How to make a schedule on Canva app fast and easy. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to make a schedule in easy fast way. So all what you have to do is go to Canva app. This is the home page, as you can see. Now go down and click on the plus button right here and search for schedule like this until you find it. Schedule. Now this is the class schedule. Now if you want this one, click on it like this and wait a few seconds until it give you the template. Now here you go, here is many schedules. From here you can choose any of them and edit it as you want. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe if this video was helpful for you, and thank you so much for watching until the end.